Vani, and today we learn understand what are context filters in Tableau. So basically, context filters are a type of filter which is applied on a data set before any other kind of filters, right? The context filters comes after extract and data source filters, but it always comes before any other kind of filters which we apply on a dataset, which can be dimension, measure, or maybe some LODs or top or conditional filters which we apply for on a dataset. Now, it basically means that whenever there is a context filter, whatever filter which we apply, whatever extra filters, these three which we apply on the data set, it only gets applied on the filtered value which is getting filtered with the help of context filters. The only important thing to understand over here is the order in which these filters are applied, and then we're good to go. So let's start by understanding this with the help of Tableau. Right. Okay. So let's say, for example, we have all our yeah, we have all our countries, and we have the sales for each and every country. Okay, I'll quickly make a bar chart for easy understanding. Right. Now what we want is basically we want to filter out the sales of each and every country with the help of my regions. So I'll put the regions in my filters, and I'll click OK. Let me just show my filters. All right, so this is what we have right now, right? All right, now what we'll do, we'll make a set. What we want is we always want to see the top three of my countries in some different colors, and the remaining ones in some other colors. So we'll simply create a set on our country which basically says top three. I'll make a top three country set maybe, and I'll say by field I want top three countries by my sum of sales, right? Okay, and now I'll bring this into my color. So now this is basically saying that the blue ones are the top ones, and the remaining ones are gray. Now I'll convert this into a single color. So let's see. In all, we have Australia, China, and India, which are the top three countries overall. Whenever I select Central Asia, it only shows me one of the top three countries which were existing over there, right? But I want to see top three countries all the times, even after filtering. I'm applying a filter, but it only gets applied. It's getting applied in the entire data set, right? It's not getting applied on the one filtered. What I want is whenever I'm filtering a particular region, my new filters, which is right now my set, should have gotten applied on this filtered value, not the all. So these are the places where context filters come into the picture. Now when I do add a context, right, and now when I filter out my central or any other kind of region, it basically says that since this comes before any other kind of filter, it says that first apply this filter, and then whatever comes, whatever filter or whatever condition I'm putting, it should be applied on my filtered value. So now it's only seeing these five. It's not seeing all the places. It's only seeing this five six places, and now it's looking for the top three out of this five six. So I'm getting my top three in different color, and the remaining ones in different. And it's happening consistently for all the other countries as well. So this is what a context filter is used for. And also, if you like our content, definitely subscribe to our channel to get regular updates about what's coming up. And thank you.